This is a short video demonstrating how to install Silk Mobile on your Windows machine. After double-clicking the Silk Mobile installation executable, you will be initially presented with a Silk Mobile welcome screen. Choose Next. In the license agreement, choose to accept and Next. Please select the destination directory where you wish Silk Mobile to be installed. For this example, I'm going to choose the default directory. Choose Next. Silk Mobile will now be installed on your machine. This will take approximately 2 minutes. Silk Mobile is now installed on your machine. Select Finish to exit. That concludes this video on the installation of Silk Mobile.